In front of me is POCO X8 Pro Max, and today I would like to show you how you can get rid of Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for this pop-up to show. When it does, hit remove and wait. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. If you ever wanna restore it, pinch your display, hit Widgets at the bottom between Effects and Settings, and tap at the top right corner. This way you can scroll to access Google app and click on it. Now swipe to the left once and tap on Add to Home Screen under Google search bar. Then choose Home button and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!